Hello everyone, my name is Singleton, and I'd like to talk to you a little bit about remembering the love that you are. Now, according to Glenda Green and her book, Love Without End, we are made from particles of love, adamantine particles. Now, these are the very same particles that super collider in Cern is trying to find. They are trying to find these God particles, which are particles of love. But we are love. I am, you are, we are, the world is. Everything about it, everything that holds it together, the trees, the plants, the animals, everything is made of love. I am the love that I am. You are the love that you are. We are love. Now, one of the ways to help you kind of get a sense of this is the fact that when we have the frequency of love, we can actually feel it radiating through our bodies, not just from our heart, because we're not talking about the emotional love. We're talking about that spark that is within us that we call the soul. But there's a little bit of an electric spark in every cell in the body. We are just lit up with love, and we don't even recognize it most of the time. So I'm going to share one thing with you here first, and that is we can take 3 tuning forks, put them in a block of wood. Normally we would put this in the quartz matrix, and it just radiates out the frequency of love. So we have figured out which 3 forks create a lower octave of love. Now, I'm going to send that to you right now. So this is the frequency of these 3 tuning forks that represents a lower octave of love. Be aware of where you feel it in your body or how it feels in your body. All right, we're not going to spend a lot of time with that. That's just something for you to get a sense of what I'm talking about. Now, if we want to go to a higher octave, we would actually go up to 5 tuning forks and even a higher octave of 7. And again, this can be put in the quartz matrix and will radiate out and fill a room. And you can just be in that wonderful feeling of love. So let me send that to you. So I don't need the tuning forks for it. I'm just going to go into this higher octave of love and become the love that I am. All right, I am sending this higher octave of love, the love that I am, represented by what we would use as 7 tuning forks. Again, be aware of where you feel it, how you feel it, the resonance in your body created by it. Now, for some people, this can be an uncomfortable feeling if what you have known as love has been abusive, verbally, physically abusive in your past, your childhood, or something of that nature. Or it can be something just settles you down and just feels like a warm blanket. But this is love. This is the frequency of love. Now, when you are remembering the love that you are, It is really about remembering that you are love from the aspect of being an adamantine particle, as we'll say, storage facility, because it is all of the adamantine particles that have been drawn to this frame that creates what we see as a physical body. Okay, so every bit of us, from the hair on our heads to the toenails on our feet, everything in between, is made of love, of adamantine particles. So if you would like to remember and experience as much of this love as we can generate, as you can generate, as you can get in touch with, please join us, and we will remember the love that we are together. We will be doing this workshop. We will be presenting other ways to get in touch with the love that you are, loving your heart, your body, your organs, your glands. Every part of you that is love needs love, coming from you to it, as well as from outside sources. Come and join us, and remember the love that you are. Thank you.